So Olga, Adtech, ad technology, it's the talk of the town at the moment. There's lots of changes and new waves that are coming into the industry right now, but your organization, probably easier if I started off with, what is it that you do?
Well, let me start a brief introduction about myself, first of all, because, I've been in Adtech holding for 11 years. And we started ourselves as a small startup of just 8 people, and I was one of them, imagine. And I think now we are one of the biggest company in Adtech technology market. So what we are doing everything related to advertising, anti-fraud solutions for advertisers to get results, their final clients. For example, if you are a game provider and you need users to play your games, you can come to us and we will find you the right audience. We also have different technologies related to providing the best performance for each advertiser, because definitely you can come to Google and Facebook, but they are expensive, they are very strict in their policies and so on. So it's easier to work with us, let's say.
Yeah, so I mean, in terms of the technology aspects, obviously there's a lot of that word banded around, ad tech, but what does that actually mean? What's the difference between what you do and, let's say, for example, producing an advert for a print publication? Like, what's the difference?
I think you will agree that everything is about online right now. And yes, we still have a lot of advertisers that invest their budgets in offline marketing. But if you want to get the result, you want to touch the result today, you should go to online, because you will find your end user just today. You can just set out the budget in the platform, tell us what kind of users you want, tell us what product you want to promote, and we will find you the user today. So I think online is more about rapid growth than offline. Offline is more about brand awareness, not about the performance, while we are focused on performance, we and the companies like we are.
Sure, so I suppose it's more about the analytical sort of data part of the advertising scene, so people can, I suppose, get the knowledge that they need from the campaigns that they're running with you guys.
Definitely, because everything is based on analytics. You can analyze your budget, you can analyze the performance of users, you can analyze different targetings, like from what, if you, for example, imagine you are planning to open a new geo for your business, and you need to understand how much to invest in that geo. What will be return on that? So we have and again, online companies have a lot of tools to analyze this market.
I mean, it does sound fascinating, but I mean, let's get to specifics. So for example, in terms of targeting specific groups, that's always been quite a difficult thing to do for a lot of ad tech companies in the past, but what do you guys do that's different from, let's say, the competition?
Well, if we're talking about targeting now, I need to tell you about our Propeller Ads company. This is actually our first brand that we developed 11 years ago. This is a platform that based on machine learning and analysis of big data. And I think we serve like 2 million requests per second. And this, our huge tool, can provide specific audience for each advertiser. And definitely a lot of targetings like geo, browser, I don't know, whether you're using Mac or Android device or something. And this everything is, our system analyzes this everything. And then also we have a lot of, let's say, cutting-edge technologies in Propeller Ads, because, for example, we released new ad solution, which is CPA goal. This is bidding model. For example, you, an advertiser, you're coming to the platform and say, okay, I need users who are gonna buy my product, and I'm ready to pay for each user $2. When you come to other companies like Google, for example, they have a little bit different mentality. They can overspend your budget. For example, you set up $2, but in the end you can spend $5. Our concept is, if you want to spend $2, we will find you the audience only for $2. And this is very important, because everything is about money, first of all. And secondly, this automation helps you to save time for manual optimization and so on. So yeah, it's a very, very big and complicated system, let's say.
So it's a fast-moving industry, and, and something that I suppose you and your role will have to keep up with. And let's get a bit more personal now, because I'm interviewing you, so I want to know what it is that you do. I suppose a lot of our partners and viewers and listeners want to know about the people behind these organizations. So what is it that you do on a day-to-day with the company?
Well, first of all, I will start with my goal, let's say. My goal is kind of to be a mirror of the market. I'm always trying to understand what problems, what pains companies usually have while entering a new market, let's say, or what problems they have while developing their existing business. And then I'm trying to analyze if we have any technologies that can help these companies to solve their problems. For example, what I can say about the current situation in the market, we have a lot of frauds on the market. Fraud, bot traffic everywhere. And in Propeller S, for example, we developed our in-house anti-fraud solution, and it works so well for us. That's why we decided why not to give it to the market. And that's why one of our projects, Adtech anti-fraud solution, appeared on the market, and it's very good. I can say people buy it very good because it works very good. So my main target is to be kind of a bridge between the end users and the technologies that we are producing. Because our philosophy is based on two principles. One, we should either have a huge database of clients and we really understand their pain, and then we can see if we have any products that we can provide them. If we don't have a client base, we should have a very strong and product that will already proved its results. So if we don't have a product, if we don't understand the market, we are not going to develop any kind of projects and startups that we have in our company. So yes, so my idea is to see what products we have, what market needs, and to be this kind of bridge.
Perfect. So it's much more of the human element behind the technology as well. I think that's maybe the element that's been missing from a lot of ad tech companies is it's too technology focused and not enough human focused as well.
Definitely, we have almost 400 people, and we have specific roles. We call them product owners. It's, I think, quite a popular naming on the market. But what they do specifically, what me and them do specifically, we talk to the end user to understand their pain, not to create a technology because we are creating the technology. Everything that we do should have a purpose, because you can spend so much money on creating very nice tool, but nobody gonna use it. So yeah, first of all, you need to understand your end user, the people, and so on.
And obviously this event, it's quite a massive event focused on, let's say, a small island like Cyprus. So this tends to be the newest hub for technology and innovation. Lots of people are flocking here. So for you guys, over the last couple of days, what's your incentive? Why have you been here? What have you been doing?
Well, Cyprus has a very good location because you have access to the whole Europe, and we're working globally. We have clients from Brazil, from Europe, from any country. Plus, we like the philosophy of people, because in Cyprus there is a word like siga siga. It means that you need to be relaxed and doing everything with the comfort and with the joy. So yeah, we are doing our work, I think, very good, but we enjoy what we do, and we kind of in the same philosophy like people here in the island.
Fantastic. Well, look, it's going to be fascinating to watch your journey unfold, and it's something I'm going to be watching very, very closely as someone that's involved in this industry. So best of luck to you guys, and we'll catch up with you soon.
Thank you. It was nice meeting you. Thank you.